HVAC repair versus replacement. Understanding the $5,000 rule. What is the $5,000 rule? The $5,000 rule is a prevalent guideline in the HVAC field. Here's a breakdown. To apply this rule, multiply your HVAC system's age by the repair cost. If the total exceeds $5,000, replacing the system might be more beneficial than repairing it. If the amount is below $5,000, opting for repairs may be the wiser financial decision. Real-world examples. Let's review two simple cases. If your HVAC is 5 years old and repair costs $1,200, 5 years, $1,200 equals $6,000. This calculation suggests considering a replacement. If your system is 10 years old and repair costs $600, 2 10 is 600 equals 6,000. Again, the calculation points to replacement. You may even find this rule mentioned on websites of manufacturers and contractors. Limitations of the $5,000 rule. This guideline started as the $3,000 rule, later evolving to $4,000, and now is the $5,000 rule. Due to inflation, the increasing costs of equipment, labor, tariffs, and efficiency standards, this figure may not always hold. In fact, sometimes it could even be adjusted to $6,000 or $7,000. This is why I advocate for a tailored approach rather than a universal solution. System safety. Is the problem severe or merely bothersome? Overall condition. Has the system received regular maintenance? Age versus care. A well-maintained system, even 12 to 15 years old, may still serve well. Warranty coverage. Is the repair only partially or fully covered by warranty? Efficiency improvements. Would installing a new system significantly reduce your energy costs? Seek professional advice. Don't hesitate to obtain a second opinion if you need it. The $5,000 rule serves as an initial reference, but should not be the sole deciding factor. Locate a trustworthy contractor and ask insightful questions. Prioritize customer care, act ethically, and your business will thrive. If this video was beneficial, please like and subscribe. Don't miss our upcoming video on challenges with new refrigerants. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you next time.